What do you want? Tell me what you want.
Finish it.
Huh? You want to finish it? Say, I want more grapes.
I want grapes.
You want more grapes? Where's Claire?
Yeah.
Call her.
Ta.
And where's Daddy?
Dada.
What's your name?
Steaming.
Say, my name is Kira. Oh. Can you say, my name is Kira?
Steaming.
Is Kira?
Jiwa.
Kelly.
Kelly.
Who are you going to see in Ireland?
Rebecca Rachel.
Rebecca and Rachel.
See ya.
You're going to go on an airplane?
So open that
In the sky?
sky.
Yeah? What's Santa Claus say?
Because say.
What does he say?
Say.
What does he say?
Say girl.
Does he say ho ho ho?
So ho ho.
Is he coming to town?
It's coming out.
Stop that. Where's the Christmas tree?
It's here.
What is it?
Cause it's green.
Yeah. Want your ice cream? Do you want to lick it?
I need it.
You lick it?
No.
You lip it?
No.
What do you do to it? Don't put that on. I'm taping you.
It's cheaper. No.
Yeah. Do you have a runny nose?
I want it.
Is your nose running? Stop. Don't put that on, Kira. Come on.